long and heavy at his side.
Very unmoving, your friend Ray is horrible.
Tálala, so hard. Of bond.
Angry,
So, speaking, he drew the sharp sword.
any,
Father, reason is God's crowning gift to man.
Brian,
Wow. 一说完，他抽出
observe,
So, speaking, he drew the sharp.
thank you. You know, your speech is the music of your movement. He drew the sharp, your words, how do you say, your words is on the same rhythm than your movement. That is bad. Huh? The bird, he has a movement, and you need to have a fun to put words, not the words as the music of the movement of the bird, but words in another rhythm. We spoke about that once, no? It means you have a rhythm as a body, and the writer has another rhythm. But your body doesn't explain the text of the writer. Your body says something, the text says something, the direction says something, the music says something, and all these different rhythms give a life. But if your words are the movement of your movement, it's boring. You do twice the same thing with the body and with the rhythm. Alors, your voice is horrible, Stephen. It's made in Hong Kong, your bird. Yeah. Text horrible. Beginning beginning, I like your voice, not you, but Betty. I like your voice, and after it was always the same. It's a pity. I like the beginning of your voice, and you is too heavy, Danny, too heavy. Yes.
What do you mean Hong Kong?
Eh?
What do you mean?
It's been bird. We see, you don't have fun with the bird. You draw the bird for us. But we don't see your fun to move as a bird. We see the draw of the bird. It's different. Like, as an actor, we need to see, you have a good fun to do this bird. Thank you, goodbye. Nobody is selected.